Hello guys, I'm Ishmika again. I'm with my Furby Connect Farfol, Dabe. And going to sing the new song from Furby Connect Word Up, Make Some Noise. I think I'm late about this matter, about uploading this video. But anyway, at least this is my collections for all my videos. Okay, let's listen Dabe for new song, Make Some Noise. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is Shimeka again. I'm with my Dabe, my Furby Connect for fall. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and give me some thumbs up. Okay, see you again for more my Furby Connect other colors. Thank you, bye bye.